Hello guys, welcome to my line tips. In today's video we have a total of 2 odds for you, and then we expect this new month of August to be great with good winnings. Yesterday we started in a wrong foot in our 2 odds series, and we expect today to be better. And also our VIP yesterday did well. We made some winnings. It was unfortunate that the 2 odds was I'll win the other way around. So we believe today will be better. Okay guys, without wasting much time, our first game today is in Iceland Division 1, where UMF Grindavik is taking on IF Vestry, and our prediction is both teams to score at full time at the odd of 1.54. They will move on to our second prediction for today, still in Iceland Division 2. But before we do that, if you are interested in a VIP, I will leave the link in the comment section. You can chat me up on WhatsApp. And also, these 2 odds series will run from now till the 10th of this month of August. And then as the new season will resume, we will move to the paid version of this. So in order for you to get access after 10th of August, you have to pay a subscription fee. It's a token, and then we see how much we'll be able to generate as the new football season will resume in few days. Okay, the last game on our list to make up our 2 odds is in Iceland at Division 2, where KFG Gadabia is taking on Volsunga, and our prediction is both teams to score at full time, and that gives us a 2.25 odds. I will leave the booking code in the comment section, and also in this video. Let me book the game for you guys. I use Breadwinner as a official bookmaker. If you are interested in joining Breadwinner to gain access to the 100% sign up bonus, I will leave the link in the comment section. I'll also book this game in the Breadwinner so that you be able to play it easily. Okay guys, this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. The booking code is DD97E493. As you can see, if you are not in Nigeria and you are using Sportybet, change your country to Nigeria first before you load this booking code. And also, do not forget to hit the like button, and this will help this channel a lot and spread this video to other people and your friends. And also, if you are new to this channel, subscribe and then turn on the notification so that you'll be the first to know when we drop new content. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in our next video.